Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sidlo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Leeroy Sidambe has officially put Mihlali off the market, you guys, after he allegedly took her as his second wife. Now this is according to Musa Kaula, our national source of course, as he shared pictures and videos of Mihlali and Leeroy's traditional wedding on Twitter. Mihlali has been labeled a man snatcher after it was reported that she is responsible for ending Leeroy Sidambe and his wife Mary Jane's marriage, you guys. Now, without wasting your time, please check out these videos and pictures of the traditional wedding. Do not forget to subscribe. I will surely see you on my next upload.